This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Ben Tucker. This airy and bright rambler, located in the desirable Northern Heights neighborhood, is the home you've been waiting for. Inside you'll find an open concept floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The open living area has vaulted ceilings that flow right into a charming dining area. The kitchen boasts a pantry, generous counter space, and lots of storage. The primary bedroom features a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. Outside you'll find an expansive back deck with a nice territorial view and a large fully fenced yard. The home is ideally located within walking distance to Northridge Park, interurban trail access, and only a few minutes drive to Barkley Village, shopping and restaurants. For more information, review the details below or contact Ben Tucker at